Hello and welcome back to Bonafide Acoustics. Today we will be unboxing Jade Audio Ea3, which is the sub brand of FIO, and it comes with this plain cardboard box. It has one BA knowles and one dynamic driver. And the thing that intrigued me about this IEM was the dynamic driver was of 13.6 mm in size as compared to traditional 10 mm dynamic drivers. Comes with this carrying case, the IEMs, the manual in Chinese, the wearing instructions and stuff. Let's open the package. The cable is quite good. It's a standard silver plated cable, but it's quite good. It's soft and it doesn't retain its shape. It is a 2-pin cable. QDC, somewhat of QDC shape, but it is quite small in length as compared to the KZ's counterpart. Well, still it is a 2-pin cable, and the cable itself is quite good. Doesn't get tangled easily. It has a 4 braid, I guess, 4 braid or 2 braid. No, it is a 4 braid design, and it is unlike other companies. Especially, I would talk about the ICOs. The ICO cable is quite flimsy and thin. This cable doesn't feel like it would break or give up on you any soon. Regarding the things that come with the IEMs are standard silicone ear tips. These are normal ear tips, nothing fancy to write home about. And this is the pouch. Standard pouch, but it is very well textured as compared to the AudioSense counterparts. The AudioSense pouch was literally felt like it was woven in someone's home. Had no quality whatsoever. These are the IEMs, and this is the dynamic driver I was talking about, 13.6 mm. It's quite huge in size, and the armature is in the nozzle. They are saying it is a knowles armature, but I highly doubt it, because I've seen knowles. I've heard what knowles armatures can do, and I don't think that this is a knowles armature. Well, nonetheless, about the tuning and initial impressions, I would say that it is. I would give it a. And the thing that they are quite well at doing is the staging and the stereo movement. Vocals will transition from left to right in a very high pace, just like ICO. ICO tend to exhibit the same tendency from going from left to right channel very fast, very accurately, and pinpointing the locations. They are doing somewhat what ICOs are doing, but at lower price point. But they are not challenging the ICOs, or and they are not as refined as ICOs. A review will be coming up in which I will talk about the lows, mids, and highs, vocals, or extras, and I will also talk about the staging, imaging, and if they are worth it. Long story short, they are worth it. The asking price is somewhat justified. These are they have thin mids. The mids are they are V-shaped IEMs, and they have thin mids. These are the initials impression. Um, Please do check out my other videos, and hope I will check you on the next one. Thank you and listening. Thank you for listening to our Bonafide Acoustics.